Okay, so we're just down at Kuta Beach, right at the beginning of Kuta Beach. And yeah, we're just going to have a little update on that video I did about the rock wall and the new rock wall. You can see it's all finished here. But I'm just walking around the beach side and they've actually finished that break wall. It's a complete break wall out to the other mounds that used to be there now. So we're going to go over and check it out. Just a quick look. Beautiful morning in Bali, check that out. The mountains are clear as anything in the distance. Beautiful day. So you can see now that the break wall is finished. The rock wall now is about probably 8 metres thick, if not bigger, and there's some huge boulders there now. Before it was all small rock, I suppose they put that in when I did that video. And there's still a lot of sandbags up top here. But this is the actual break wall here that they've built out. Now there used to be the original couple of mounds out there, little break walls out in the water, but actually break walled it right off to there. I don't know why. It's just directly straight out. But yeah, we'll see if we can climb up and have a look. So we'll see if we can climb up on top of this. Have a little look, see what's going on up here. Yeah. So you'll be able to drive out here. You can see where they've had the excavators out here. And this is the original break wall here. And there's another one over there. They're sort of just filling in the lot. And they've got a big water barrier all the way around out here. I suppose that's to stop boats coming close while they're working here. Yeah, it looks like it might end up like a big T section. And that'll stop all the waves coming into the Discovery Mall, which is just straight in the front there. Okay, just a quick update, see what's going on. Yeah, what a beautiful morning it is in Bali, mate. Beautiful. It's not so hot this morning. It's coming on to winter. It's still the southern hemisphere, so it's coming on winter. And yeah, temperatures aren't too extreme. I just come from Thailand. It was like 36, 37 every day. But down here, yeah, it's nice. It's probably only been like 28, 29 every day. And maybe 30. And in a couple of months' time, it'll just be 28 every day. Perfect temperature for holiday. Perfect temperature, not too hot. So, anyway, walk back around. And until we get kicked out of here, it looks like it's all barricaded off. But so you can see the original old break wall here. And the new one, it's probably 15 metres wider now. And hopefully they're going to pave this whole area or grass it or something. I suppose they'll probably pave it. Hopefully add some chairs and tables and shit like that, Eddie. Which would be really good. So they really have done a lot of work here. Like in 2 months this is more or less finished, except for the paving, I suppose, or whatever they're going to do here. But in Australia this would probably take them like 2 bloody years with the council doing it or something ridiculous. But when they do something here, they definitely get into it and they do it quick. They've had the 4 big backhoes going, the excavators, the whole time, I suppose, to finish it. And yeah, it's all done. Good work, I reckon. If you're going to park down around Kuta Beach anywhere, make sure you lock your helmet on your bike because you'll lose it for sure. Come on, Les. I'm going to just check the beach right up here, just past the beach walk. We'll see how busy it is. It's only about 6:30 in the morning. And it really is starting to get busy now at Kuta Beach. You can tell there's a lot more tourists starting to turn up now because of the dry season. So we'll check up here at the Kuta Beach sign. We'll see what's going on. So, yeah, there's always people there getting photos in front of it. And yeah, all right. Yeah, it seems very busy actually. There's a lot of people scattered all the way up the beach. A few surf schools starting to go out. It's Kuta Beach. It's still fairly early. It probably wouldn't even be 6:30 in the morning. So, it's got the little coffee truck. He's here every morning, very early. How you doing, dog? Hey mate, how are you? Hey bro. Artfully brewed, it's called. It's like a little truck thing, comes down, it's got a proper brew machine on it. It's there every morning. This is the famous Kuta Beach sign. This place gets packed because everyone wants to come and get a selfie in that in front of the Kuta Beach sign. But that's it, Kuta Beach. We'll go and have a look at the beach up here a little bit. So it's probably only 100 metres up here, we've got the skate park. So this is the car park. It's probably only about less than, probably 50 metres, 100 metres max away from the Kuta Beach sign. You can park in here, you can park your cars in here, you can park your motorbikes in here. And then we'll have a quick look at the skate park, see if there's anyone skating. There's people there early in the morning normally skating, but we'll see what's going on up there. So this is the Kuta Beach skate park. It's a pretty good skate park actually. There's a big bowl up the other end. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Got a couple of lads here skating. Walk up the bowl and have a look at it. So they're all here skating before it gets too hot. A lot of people come down very early and practice. And this is the skate bowl. It's more or less like a big swimming pool, made especially for skating, of course. It's pretty good quality, and yeah, you get a lot of people down here. They have competitions down here, stuff like that. And yeah, so you got the skate bowl and the park, which is a bit more flat with the rails and that, where you can practice doing your tricks. So coming on the dry season and the peak season, you got the little the little beach cleaners out. They're full on into it every day now. They're doing a really good job keeping it clean. Yeah. Come on. Okay, so we're back up close to the bike again, and yeah, seems to get busier and busier all the time down here. It's definitely coming on the peak season. It's just the beginning of May, so another 2 months and this place will be absolutely packed with all the winter tourists from Australia coming over. They're starting to come now in their droves actually. It's getting more and more busy every day. I'm not sure whether you can see on the camera all the little swallows and that flying around here. Well, they're called a wallet, and they're the birds that make the nest for the bird nest soup. So if you've got a house with wallets, they actually build special houses with little holes in the walls for them to get in. They're dark, they lay their eggs and make their nests on the walls inside. And if you've got a wallet house, you're rich. It's about $200 a kilo, I think, for the bird nest. So those little birds, if you always wondered what they were, little swallows, they're called a wallet. So now we're up at Seminyak near 66. We sort of skipped Legian just to see how busy it is at the moment. And I'll tell you what, up here near the big statue at 66, there's probably a couple hundred people scattered up there. There's a lot of people. So definitely noticeably getting a lot more busy now. So this is the time to come on holidays. The beaches are clean. They've done great work cleaning it up this season. It was just zillions of tonnes as usual in the wet season of rubbish and that, but it's cleaned up pretty well good now. And yeah, that's if you've seen that video I did on Sungai Watch, and Sungai Watch gets all around and they take a lot of the plastic that comes from the beach and stuff like that and recycle it. So it's a great organisation. Check out that video. I'll leave a link in the end screen for Sungai Watch video. Yes, you know, doing great for the environment.